Hi everybody, this is Jocelyn J. Rella just coming to you with a Mother's Day special. It is going to be the full silk kit by Hair Kinetics. First of all, you're going to be getting this nice drawstring bonnet, something like you see here looking nice, okay? And then you're going to have the eye mask. Oh my goodness, this is great to sleep in. And she's also throwing in a pillowcase. Oh my goodness, a silk pillowcase at that. Something I've got to get for myself and my mother. What? Okay, and an extra one would be $15 extra. But the full silk kit by itself, without the extra, is going to be $50. And then if you just want to do a mix and match, you can do the drawstring bonnet with the silk eye mask for $30, or you can do the silk eye mask and the pillowcase for $35. And mom will definitely love you for this gift, okay? Who does not want to sleep in peace? That's the main thing mothers want. We want great rest. I know I do. So love your mother and get this wonderful gift, and happy Mother's Day.